Hey, today's chop and drop. I have a row of 20 or so mulberries here, overstory of earpod tree. And on this side, there's soursop and achachairu. Same on this side, soursop and achachairu, associated with some turmerics, lots of pigeon peas, a few other little things. And there's a row of napier grass here, and on the other side, which I'm cutting the napier grass, and the last cut I put it along here on the side of the path for additional mulch. So I pruned back the mulberries very hard, down to about knee high, like I do every year. They'll regrow and make fruit in the spring. Then the ear pod, I pruned every other tree along this row, bring in about double the sun, more or less. So it made a lot of good legume mulch and some wood in between. There's a lot of wood underneath the mulch you can't see, that's been there for a couple of years. When I started out, just piled wood along here. So there's a couple of papayas, there's some malanga along the way, a few other little odds and ends, a couple bananas, I think. So the main structure of this is going to be mulberry for now. Soursop will be next. Soursop are getting pretty big, a few years old. And then in between each soursop, there's a soursop, there's a soursop, and over there is a achachairu. They'll take their place eventually. It'll take a few more years. I have to have patience for that fruit. You can't be impatient for that one. So this is the project for the last couple of days. All done. That's all the tools I use. Ladder, chainsaw, pruning saw, loppers. That does the job. Thank you. Bye for now.